Is your Eufy doorbell stubbornly refusing to connect to Wi-Fi, leaving you missing important deliveries and visitors? Let's fix that in the next 90 seconds. First, let's check your Wi-Fi signal strength at the doorbell. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone to see if the signal is weak. A weak signal is a common culprit. If the signal is weak, try moving your Eufy doorbell closer to your router. Sometimes a simple change in placement can make a huge difference. Walls and other obstructions can interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. Next, ensure your Eufy doorbell is connected to the 24 GHz Wi-Fi band. Most Eufy doorbells don't support the 5 GHz band. Access your router's settings through your web browser and verify that the 24 GHz network is enabled and broadcasting. In the Eufy security app, go to your doorbell settings and select Wi-Fi. Double check that you've entered the correct Wi-Fi password. A simple typo can cause connection issues. Now, make sure your Eufy doorbell's firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connectivity problems. Check for updates within the Eufy security app and install any available updates. If all else fails, try power cycling both your Eufy doorbell and your router. Unplug your router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Also, remove the battery from your doorbell for 30 seconds, then reinsert it. This can refresh the connection. As a last resort, reset your Eufy doorbell to its factory settings. Use a pin or the provided tool to press and hold the reset button for 15 seconds. Then, read the doorbell to the Eufy security app, and that should do it. Hopefully, your Eufy doorbell is now happily connected to your Wi-Fi, giving you peace of mind. If you're still having issues, consider contacting Eufy support for further assistance.